everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial I will be showing you guys how to flip camera while recording on iPhone. Whether you're capturing moments on the go or creating content for social media, these features can come in handy. So let's jump right in and see how it's done. First, launch your settings, scroll down and then search for camera. Here tap on record video and again scroll down and then disable the lock camera if you have it enabled. Now while recording you can seamlessly flip between the front and the rear cameras by tapping on the camera flip button. This button typically looks like two arrows in circular icon and is usually located near the record button or in the camera settings menu. And there you have it. It is a simple yet powerful feature that can add versatility to your video recordings. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. We will catch you in the next one.